Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Market opens in a few minutes. Good morning, though.
Dylan, diving. Oh yeah, a little diving board.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Just getting rolling here, but the market opens in 2 minutes. So if you have any questions, drop them in chat. And remember, we stay disciplined on here. No forcing trades. We wait on confirmation. It is Veterans Day, so appreciate the service. Appreciate your service. Oh, Jadon about to juggle? Why? He's good at it, though. I've seen him juggle before. Welcome in, everyone. All right, I'm going to talk to Team Bull.
It's in Littleton area.
All right, let's do this, everyone. Good luck.
Let's get it, bro. What you watching today, Grizzly Clock?
I'm going to watch a bounce around that, where is that? Starting around like 25,492, that area. If we push down. Other than that, I'm just going to watch price action. It's been working out.
Grizzly, when you coming to trade with me at the T-Mobile office, bro?
I need to come, man.
It's getting some serious upgrades. So I hired an interior designer. I haven't really spoke on this. And we've been, this week we upgraded all the seats so they're a lot comfier. We upgraded the reception room. Dude, 2026, it's going to be so fire. We're adding in more seats because we're filling up every time. And the more we start, I guess give people advance to come, I'm going to need a 100-person auditorium. I'm going to be ripping shorts with 100 people in front of me. I actually really enjoy trading live in person with everybody. It's a lot of fun. It's different. It's something that really, nobody does.
I feel like first time I had a drawdown, I'd be over it. in front of 20 people.
I know, it's definitely a little scary, but it's alright. I enjoy the trading live in person.
I feel like you're better at multitasking than I am. I cannot multitask well at all.
You know, it's funny. I am decent at multitasking, and it's ironic because I will be the first one to tell you that I think multitasking is a scam. One of my favorite books I've ever read is The One Thing by Gary Keller. He's the founder of Keller Williams, and he speaks on how people glorify multitasking, get everything done, and it's you should actually be focused on getting one thing done very well.
Good morning, TikTok and YouTube. I'm looking for a trade talking to Jay Dunn.
Trading, right?
But welcome in. Let's see if we can catch another winning trade. We had a nice one yesterday, huh? I'm not sure how long our win streak is, but it's getting up there. That doesn't mean oversized. We keep the same position size. We stay consistent, but that's just the facts. We could have a losing trade today. If we do, we'll manage it well. We'll focus on our execution and risk management as always. Any questions, drop them in the comments. I got you. Good morning, everyone. Make sure you have some good coffee. That is crucial. TikTok, can you actually see when like AI says something in comments? I can see it on my side. I don't know if I have to approve it. It's so weird. Let's do this. Hobbs, you sent me a coffee? Appreciate it, man. Huh, that's interesting. Can't see it over there. Do I have to like click on it? I don't know. My morning's been great. My forearms keep cramping. Like every time I like bend my arm where I hit a pull day this morning, I get a cramp. Both arms are doing it this morning, so that's why I'm working with both arms. I believe it was the dumbbell rows that got me. I don't have a bias. I just market can go either way. I don't care. We just trade our key level zones. I mean, I could probably give you a better idea once I see, a little bit into the market. Give you my opinion at least, but I have Austin. I've been doing everything right. I believe it's just when you get so heavy lifting, sometimes you just get cramps when your body's healing or whatever it's doing. Yeah, I have. I get plenty of water per day. I drink a lot of water. This is all I drink: water, coffee, and some milk sometimes. But I get like the fat-free Fairlife milk. Oh yeah, stretching. We always need more stretching for sure. Just being patient here. It is Veterans Day. I'm gonna say it again for those just joining. Appreciate. Thank you for the service. If you're a veteran. Good morning. What's up, Bill? Yeah, that's what I use, Bill. Good morning, Jeff. All right. Good morning, Vincent. All right, I'm going to unmute Team Bull Talk for a bit. If you have any questions or any topics you think we should discuss, let me know.
It's the one that has too much noise.
What are we looking for today, Jadon? What are you looking for?
Honestly, I don't know. Whenever I only have an hour on days like today, we have to get a really nice, clear setup. Otherwise, I just don't trade. We've been killing it too these last few weeks.
Man, it's been crazy, right?
Your trading has really heated up, Grizzly. You've been killing it, bro.
It's been focused in on it, man. It's been my main focus.
Market wasn't making sense for a little bit.
Yeah, it's tough. Beginning of the year was tough. It was just all over the place. Technicals, as far as my strategies go, technicals wasn't respected as much. Just had to settle down from the new president, get to be expected, I guess. I would say the same thing will happen with the next one. We'll have a little crazy market in the beginning. Oh yeah, I did sell some covered calls on my open shares, everyone. For those still holding them.
Some covered calls.
Covered calls.
You stay selling options. You do that pretty often.
Oh.
And Nikita, are you the one that GD spoke with? The restaurant?
Huh?
I was talking to the guy in the chat.
Oh, okay.
Nikita Trades.
I looked at, I got a smaller account that I put like
You
a,
know what?
I've got a smaller account I use to like sell options on, do some leaps and stuff, but it's up 515% this year.
Damn.
Solid. I looked at it yesterday. Pretty sure it's public too. I mean, people can actually see it on Publix. Not for sure.
Also got the usual suspects on watch as well with Tesla and AMD, maybe Nvidia.
That's right. I'm taking Nancy's place since she's retiring. No, I'm playing. Am I looking for
Let's
shorts?
see, I do have SPY up on the screen as well.
That's awesome, Jeff. If you like options, better trade options. I like futures better. There's your VWAP reject. Who was watching it? Steve, did you catch the VWAP? Reject is a little bit low, wasn't it? Well, it's pretty close. Steve said he's watching for that. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. What do you mean going live when retires? Like she's gonna stream? I don't understand. Her stuff's long term, you know? Longer term. Swing trades, leaps. I think you can follow her trades actually. Good morning, V-Man
See what
Scooter.
else
How you
we
doing?
Get, my friends.
What time frames I use to mark levels? Um, well, first off, this.
Hey, Christina,
My-
you're banging on the elite trade.
Hold on a
Don't
second.
get it twisted.
What's going on in the elite floor?
She just balls out. She kills it. That's what she does.
Oh yeah.
That's what every day, and it's greatness.
What was I talking about here? I got distracted. So my indicator marks out all these levels automatically, but when I'm looking for like swing trades, all that good stuff, or manually creating day trading levels, I like the hourly for day trades if possible. Hourly and up. Looking for swing trades. Typically, you can look at hourly, but like 4 hour to the weekly. Appreciate that. Mip. I'm gonna call you Mip. Or you can tell me your name. I'll try to remember it. Good morning. where I get the indicators that mark out the charts. This is my indicator I created. It's called Grizzology. You can go to grizzlytrades.com. It's there. You can try it for free. Just make sure you get the 7-day free trial. So if you don't like it in 7 days, no harm done. Good morning. If you're trading on funded accounts, 3 to 5 MNQs all you need if we take a trade. I don't want you over positioning. You know, if it hits our stop loss, it should be just a paper cut for you. We're due a loss. I don't want one, but we're on a crazy winning streak. We are due a loss. Welcome in, everyone. Stay disciplined. You better not be forcing trades. We got to push down quite a bit for my bounce area. You can see it. Grizzology here has
All right, let's
created.
see here. We got our 15-minute range is almost in. As a reminder, I got 45 more minutes. We got 45 more minutes to complete the objective.
Jaden has to cut out early today. He's not trading all day. We got this, Henny. Let's focus in, make it happen. Are you all reaching any payouts from the win streak we've been on? Or just making some money on your personal? Love to hear about it while we have time. I'm doing my best. You all should be hitting something if you've been trading with me the past few weeks. Apple's ripping. Let me take a look. Jacobs has been making money from take profit. Nice. Josh says up 1,200 in a week on my first funded. Nice. Keeps me motivated seeing you all win. Some days I wake up, I'm like, I'm just ready to disappear from everything, you know, just get off grid. You ever feel like that? Is that a mutual feeling? Or is that just me? Nice. It's awesome. You have a beach there? Nice. I like the beach for a little while, but I gotta have my mountains, you know. Got to have my mountains around me. What's the value? Let me look at this price section here. I'm gonna look at ES real quick as well. Trust me, if I take a trade, you all will know it. Right now, we're just having a good conversation. We can talk about whatever.
$500, I guess, are weekly, so that makes sense. That makes a little more sense, given their weeklies.
I feel that, Hobbs. I can relate.
Now we're moving. How many of y'all want me to start calling some banger option trades?
Jeff says he
Who
is
remembers
up.
options?
Jeff says he was up 3K last week. That's awesome, Jeff. But he doesn't use funded. I mean, it's great. I don't care what you all use, fundeds or personals. I like seeing you making money. Kevin, that sounds like a good time to me, man. ES pumping up a little. Callie says currently 900 away from payout. Nicole, I appreciate that. Cody has the right idea. A trade from the middle of nowhere with Starlink. I don't know how people just sit around and trade all day. They couldn't be setups all day. This couldn't be. I've tried to trade. Used to when I first started trading, I tried that trading all day. Like I'd wait all day, look for setups, and honestly, it made me lose more money than picking the session I'm good with, getting in, out, being done. Jevon, I said it right. Says first payout from Take Profit. I submitted last night at 9 p.m. You should know something today for sure. Can everyone hear me real quick? Give me a yes. We just had someone ask why there was no volume. Okay. Man, they're in TikTok. If you can help that person out, I'd appreciate it. Are we going to close below point of control? Is shorts going to be the play today? Nice, Chris.
What are you watching for, Grizzly? See anything you like?
Yeah, I'm looking for I'm watching this 15-minute range now. See what volume we get on this candle here on NQ. It's just lowering, but it is early on. Maybe like a pull back to that 25,600 for a short? What do you think about that, Jada?
What do you say, bro?
What do you think about a pullback to 25,600 for a short if we pull back?
I don't mind it. Maybe like what's the highest candle? So, yeah, we can do that with stops above like 625.
Yeah, and I would even be willing to add more at like 617. So I may leave it like half size. And if we push up, keep my stop the same, of course, but because we have point of control right at that 617 right now.
Wow. Flush. I just don't want us to flush pre-market low and go back into this range.
Oh, he might have meant trading volume, man. I may have misunderstood him. The volume could be the volume. I mean, it looks decent. It's not crazy, but my indicator creates point of control for us. The blue dotted line here, this is current point of control, and previous day point of control you can see here as well.
Come on, give us some sort of pullback.
Still watching this demand here. You can see the green the green zone. That's the demand I'm watching.
I want
Everyone.
to see us pull back to that. Here's that 600 area.
Yeah, I like that 600 area if we pull back. I'll add at 600 and I'll add at 617 if we push up from that. Keep my stop at like 627, 626, right around that area. If I take it, I'll let you all know if I do.
Quick 7 hundo. Very nice. See now, Grizzly, look what type of candle they're going to give us. We're going to flush pre-market low and have a high volume reversal candle. If
We
go
might.
past our level.
Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised. That's been the man, I wish I was going to New York with you all. Alright, let's focus in here. I'm watching for a short entry. This volume candle's looking decent here, everyone. Volume looking decent on this candle. Could it be a trend setting? Below pre-market low? Technically, I don't like getting into orb inside the range. So, you know, some
Yeah,
people's
that's a good
strategies,
slowdown.
if it closes back in the range, it's invalid.
It's just a hard candle to short if we wake up.
Yeah, I was hoping we'd see like a nice full body candle. You know, a little retracement.
It's a tough candle to short for sure.
Appreciate all the follows.
So we have higher
I go
volume
live
between
every
them.
morning, so if you haven't already, hit the
Left
follow,
market low and halves to
thumbs
the
up,
upside.
the likes, all that good stuff.
Pop up. This area in here still, I'm still open to that, but I'm personally not going to short down here. We
We
might
have-
keep dumping, but I'll wait.
We haven't had any confirmation yet for a trade. I'll let you all know if I take something. I'll be very clear, okay? See what Jayden's saying. He might be looking for a trade here. Let me see. You watching this for an entry up here, Jayden? If we push up?
Yeah, I'm open to it. Just hate this. This price action is kind of sketchy.
What aggressive candle, huh?
I know.
We touched that, we touched the point of control.
What's the high here? 626.
All right, let's see here. Aggressive candle. What's the volume on? I'm gonna try some shorts, but I'm still gonna keep my stop. I'm gonna go light on M and Q. If we touch this point of control again at 6-7. Hold on a second. Hold on. I'm watching this delta. Delta just keeps climbing.
I have a really really hard time shorting a candle like this. Just nuclear.
Yeah.
I wanted to see us wick up and then go back down to 600. That's where I'm going to try to.
See, this is what I wanted to see here. I want to see this wick up above, point of control, then lose it. But we broke above that previous high. So, you know, is that invalid for a short now? Or is it still... Let's see where this candle closes. I may still take the entry. Let me see how this candle closes and the volume on it. We got 2 minutes. I'll let you know if I take it. We got a Fed speaker at 10:25.
It is Veterans Day. It's a bank holiday, so price might be a little funky today too. Just be aware.
Yeah, we still got the delta climbing here as well. So we have to have a close below it. If we close above point of control, definitely not looking for a short entry.
We also have we have SPY at high of day as well. SPY's kind of leading the race. Could also watch on the flip side, yeah, ES and SPY we could watch for a close up here, and then it move back down. I'm thinking ES trading a bit.
The if you're delayed, YouTube, just you have to like go in, go out, come back in. Maybe update your app. It should be the same.
That's a little more risk than I'd like to stomach. A little more risk than I'd like to stomach personally. No trades yet for me. 30 minutes in, I've not taken a trade. And I have 30 minutes left to trade with you.
This volume's going to match that previous candle. Interesting.
We got 30 minutes left to trade.
Still watching for an entry here, but if we close above this point of control, I'm going to be looking more for a long entry. This candle's gonna have more volume than previous.
Technically speaking, this is a valid reverse orb setup.
I do like longs now more than I do shorts. Could it just chop today? Like, that's one possibility, given it's a holiday. Good morning, welcome in. We're just looking for a setup. I started to take shorts at that point of control, but as we approached it, the delta was just going crazy, the positive delta. So I decided to set it out. Now I was looking for a long entry here, but it's a tough area right below VWAP.
I don't really have anything I love right here. I mean, I'd say based on this last 5 minute candle, I prefer the longs. We're also getting the ES test on the orb.
Appreciate the follow, Jay.
60, 846, 840.
What's the volume on this candle like? Let's see where we close this candle.
ES looks decent for longs too. Let's see how I'm gonna watch this candle pretty closely. Arguably late for a close here and try longs on ES with a stop of like 46. I prefer to go a little lower and get an entry down here with stops below the trend setting candle. It's just pretty far on ES.
Yeah, open is back from the dead. I sold some covered calls on it this morning, man.
Still no setup for me, just watching.
What's the top of this? What's it? VWAP at 637?
Where's the middle of that in this candle?
Our entry, if we was gonna try longs, it'd have to be right here. It'd have to be in this area. What's the risk on this? 460. Jesus.
Alright, I'll be right back. I'll be using the restroom. I want you to cover one today.
Jeez, 30 million. You buying that for me, Keith, or what? Nice, Jeff. Made 400 today. Good job, man. There's just no trades to be made. Look at this price section.
That's a tough candle to short too. Full body to the downside. No trades for me yet, guys. Just watching. I will not be chopped up in this 15-minute range.
This is not your typical price action though. The way we came back up and did that, making this low. Hopefully, get it straightened out for you, Josh. Make sure you hit the follow button. I go live every single morning on here for you all.
Just keep flipping back and forth. Well, longs are good, shorts are good, longs are good.
Okay.
It looks like the original plan was it. Oh my god.
That just wasn't normal price action though. The way we retraced that, then sold
weird.
off. You know, it's kind of weird. Yeah, it's weird setup.
Got AMD falling, Tesla falling. We got gold falling as well. Nvidia falling, all the techs falling. We don't really have anyone leading the way. All right, we're breaking through this. Let's see if we can get a close, a confirmation close, and then a short on this move back up. If we can get this close down here with volume, test back up into this zone, I'll try.
Let's stay disciplined here, everyone. I'm not looking really for the orb. I'm looking for the trend entry here. Okay. So around that pre-market low, if we get a full body candle here, we retrace back up to this area. What's 89? So around this 25,571 would be your entry for shorts. I think a good stop would be a 5-minute close back inside this 15-minute range. If you want to keep an even tighter stop, which I probably will not, you could keep a stop close back up in pre-market low. But I'll let you all know if it confirms, if I take it. Just a tricky morning. We expected it though. I feel like we was all prepared for the tricky day with Veterans Day. You know, bank holiday, bonds markets closed. Luckily, we had a 40+ point trade yesterday. So. One thing we could see, this is just my thoughts. Don't let it, give you bias or whatever. But it looks like we might try to create some kind of like a tight trend or maybe a broadening formation. We'll see. Yeah, the volume on this candle is looking nice, huh, Josh? You are correct. But what if it closes back above this pre-market low with long wick? It's not what we want to see, right? We have time. It was cold in Florida this morning. Yeah, I seen that on the news. It was in the teens here in Tennessee. We had snow yesterday. Is Jadon in a trade? Let me see.
605.
Are you in a trade, Jadon?
No, trend shorts.
I just can't. Right above this, we keep closing above pre-market low.
I hate these wicks, bro.
Yeah,
These wicks suck.
Yeah. All right, let's see. If we lose this pre-market low, I'm going to give MNQ shorts a go, everyone. Light size. It is a holiday. We flush below that 25,571. Hard stops will be at 597 on this.
Well, I was supposed to add a starter position with you.
This will be a short entry on MNQ, yes. If you're trading funded accounts, you don't need any more than 3 to 5 MNQ shorts.
I'm gonna add a starter position too of shorts at come on, up to 80. No, come on. I haven't added yet. I've been figuring out the trigger and I didn't add. I want to see it pop above 80. Hold on. The worst risk would be above like 606. Try to start our position of shorts. We go above 607. I will take my L to the chin and be done.
I'm still waiting on this
Pop up.
candle to confirm down here more for us.
I'm willing to be over one. Move on, but I am going to try to catch this.
I'm not in the trade yet, everyone.
Little hope here. I like
I'm
this
following the
area at
plan.
85 to 90. I love this area. No, love. I like this area. I'd like to see continuation push down. If we go back above 606, I'll be wrong and take my L.
If you take this trade with me, do not over position. Do not go too heavy, okay? Let's do this right.
I don't like that we're above this pre-market low, though. So we'll see. Let's go. Come on.
I got in. It got my order. I'm in.
A little lower. I'm gonna move my stop.
That's a
down to
weird
98.
move. I'm in shorts though.
Below 70. I just have to go in 17 minutes. I'll move my stops to 98. So let's see here. Let's see us flush this pre-market low a little more. We got a decent entry up there near 85, but
571
lower.
was my entry. 571.75 exactly. I'm in with you, J Dub. So if this is a loss, we'll both take it.
You know what? I'm gonna do something a little different here. I'm gonna take a little off here at 65. A little less R multiple than I'd like. Because I have to leave early and I'm traveling today. I'm putting my stops at break even now, guys.
My first trim comes at low a day, everyone.
This ride.
Low a day, my first trim.
If I wasn't traveling, I'd let it ride to low a day too. But I did take a little off down here and move my stops to break even.
Nice entry, man.
Thanks, bro. We're up about 20 points, give or take 15, 20 points, depending on your entry. I'd like to see more. I'd like to see low a day too, but you know, I'm traveling, so I'm not. If I can take a little green, I'll take it. My hard stops are gonna break even.
Back at entry here. Come
There
on.
we go, close below, pre-market low, that's good.
Yeah, it's a good sign.
Push it down more.
Come
Give
on.
us low a day. Come on, baby. Oh. Keep daddy down low a day. Come on.
Come on. Rip down for us. Quit playing. If you want to scalp this, you can scalp right now and be out, but I'm holding. I'm okay if I take a loss on this because we do have a nice risk reward here. There we go. Keep going. There we go. Keep going. It's gonna wake up again, huh? I don't watch the 1 minute, Kelsey. Oh. Price target's low a day. You all can trim where you see fit, but my price target's low a day. If you want to trim at that 51, that'd be a 20-point trim. I don't see anything wrong with that. You know what? Let's trim one here. Take one off, move her stops her entry. That's where we have a green day regardless, okay? 20-point trim. You know, low day is not much further down, so that's a nice trim spot.
I'm putting my stops at this trade at 80. 80 flat. No other
Stop
way.
that entry. 7175 is my exact entry. I'll be out if he hits it.
Come on.
Everyone understanding?
No other way. Hey, Grandma's still like 9 for 9 in her trades. I'm just saying.
I got one trim off everyone down there at 20 points, so my stop is at 571.75 now on my
Come on,
trade.
Grandma said low a day, Grizzly. We're getting low a day.
Let's do it.
Grandma says low a day. We're getting low a day. Right now. Death on this candle. Right here. 5, 4,
Do it.
3, 2, 1, 0.5, 0.3,
Yeah.
0.25, 0.15,
1/16.
0.20, 1, 2. What did you say?
1/16.
Come on.
Do it.
Die. I'm going to put a... I was just going to put an order in.
I don't think I had any drawdown. There we go.
Got low day. Come on. A little more.
There we go. Trim, everyone. Nice trade. Even on Veterans Day, a holiday, we're out here making money together. What do you think? How we doing? How we doing, everyone? Was that a sniper entry or what? Aren't you proud that we're just hitting all these days with perfect execution? You all should be proud of yourselves, for real. Nothing wrong with being proud of yourself for, you know, following your plan, staying disciplined. I did trim at low a day, everyone. I moved my stop a little bit into profits. I have had that happen before, like an actual mistake, and I've lost money like that. Don't let it bother you too much. You'll bounce back. Thank you. Trade's over for me. Hit my entry or my stop in profits.
D-O-D.
Trade's over for me, everyone. Hit my stop in profits.
D-O-D. D-O-D.
If you want to hold, you can, because we're not technically below this pre-market low. We could retest it and continue on down. I just was locked in profits on that last runner. What's up, Mike? What do you mean? Oh, short. We was short. Yeah, we caught a short trade from pre-market low to the 30s area here. Not a massive trade, but a good, solid trade. Am I going to take another trade today? Let me look. See if I can find something. If you're going to try a trade, right here would be your entry for shorts. Still looks good for shorts, but I'm not re-entering. If you took that trade with me, please don't risk profits on a day we have banks and bond market closed. But if you try this short here, say you haven't caught a trade, you can keep your hard stop here possibly, or a 5-minute close back above this, you'll be out, if that helps you at all. No, not today. I'm not, Josh. Are you? I think that may be the only trade I take. I'm not seeing anything else I like. Do you all see anything that's worth watching? Or should we just call it a morning and come back tomorrow, with a regular market? What's your thoughts? Let's talk about it. Kyle says call it a morning. Yeah, I think you all may be right. But if you heard my thoughts on that, if you hadn't called a trade yet. Yeah, I say you're all right. Appreciate that. Let me look at gold, Kelsey, for you. I got you. Gold selling off too, huh? Interesting. Everything's selling. Look at this trade Grisology caught on gold. Is that not crazy? Again, thank you for your service, all the veterans on here, or people are still actively in the military. Thank you. I was trading on my personal account today. Why everyone's still on here? Real quick, I know this is the part some people don't like, but if you want to trade with funded accounts, if you don't, I understand. No pressure. But go to grizzlytrades.com, look at Take Profit and Apex, use code Grizzly. Two of the best prop firms in the game, okay?
So we had a lot of misdirection back and forth here.
Josh, remember, if you're on your funded, 3 to 5, okay? I feel like as long as I give that, even on my personal, even if I trade NQ, I keep it under 5 most of the time. Like 99% of the time. Make sure you hit the follow button. We've been on a crazy win streak together. So, anybody hit any payouts from the trade today? I'm just curious. Or, pass some evals? Nice. Cars, appreciate that. Up 100, David? That's awesome, man. $200 a day is a great side hustle, a great side income. Do not doubt that for a minute. You'll get there. We'll get you there, okay? Try our best, at least. Live daily. Uh-oh. You all might get that moved down if you took that second trade ideal. Hope it prints for you all. Remember, 5-minute close above this would be your stop or a hard stop right there. 589. Yeah. Well, I'm telling you, shorts look so good here. I would re-enter if it wasn't for the weird, or for the holiday. Yeah, I'm getting off here before I take another trade. I'll see you all in the morning, okay? Market open, you be there? You all gonna be here in the morning? Appreciate the follow. Follow. Alright, lock it out. Don't overtrade. I'm watching you. Do not overtrade. You hear me? Everyone starts getting off really quick, so they don't have to answer. Alright, see you in the morning. What time tomorrow? I'll be here 9:30 a.m. ET. Market open. Yeah, I like the shorts for sure. If you're in shorts, looking good. But see ya.